Now let us move on to the next question. Till here, you came to know that whenever any trigonometric ratio is given and any fixed length is given, we are able to find the remaining two sides of the right angle triangle. Okay. Suppose we have given, suppose a right angle triangle PQR such that angle R equal to 90, PQ plus QR equal to 100 meter. Okay. Also given sine P equal to 100, not 100. Let me take it. Sine P equal to given 9/10. Okay. So you have to find the length of PQ, QR and RP. Okay, student. Suppose this is the question. Okay. Now, first I have to draw the right angle triangle, and see, this is the right angle triangle. Okay. Now our angle R is given 90 degree. This angle R is given 90 degree. That means this is your R angle. Okay. Take any one of the two vertex as P and Q respectively. So let this is P and this is Q. Okay. Now, what is given in the question? In the question, it is given sine P is 9/10. Sine P is 9/10. And you know it very well that sine is the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse. And what is the perpendicular here? Because this is the angle given and the side opposite to the given angle is always perpendicular. So this gives as a perpendicular. Okay. And this is the base and the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Okay. Now P means here perpendicular means RQ and hypotenuse means PQ. Okay, so this implies RQ equal to 9, PQ equal to, that is 10. So now we have to find the length RP. Okay, RQ. We don't know what is RP. Okay. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find this RP. Okay. How? We know it very well. Hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse here is PQ. So PQ square, that is PQ square is equal to QR square plus RP square. Okay. So what is PQ square? That is the square of 10, that is 100. So 100 is equal to QR square. And what is QR square? The QR square is the square of 9. that is 81. So now we have to find the value of RP square. Okay. So RP square will be equal to 100 minus 81, that is 19. So this implies RP equal to root 19. Okay, student. Now, okay, student. Now, the actual length of PQ plus QR is given 100. Okay. Now suppose that we have the ratio now. We have the ratio now between RQ ratio PQ ratio RP. Okay. And that is equal to it. That is equal to 9:10:root 19. Okay. Now it is given PQ plus QR. So suppose RQ equal to 9x. This implies PQ equal to 10x. This implies RP will be equal to x root 19. Okay, student. I think till here you understood the logic. Okay. Now it is also given PQ plus QR. PQ plus QR. I mean to say, this is your PQ plus QR. Okay. PQ plus QR equal to given 100. So what is the value of PQ? That is 9x. What is the value of QX? That is 10x. That is equal to 100. So here we get 19x equal to 100. Okay, student. So till here, I think you understood the things. Okay. Okay. So 19x equal to 100, it means what? It means this implies x will be equal to 100 by 19. Okay. Okay. Now, if you get the value of x, you can find all the values of all the sides of the rectangle triangle. What is RQ? You see here, RQ is 9x. 9x means what is the value of x? That is 100 by 19. So here we get RQ equal to 900 by 19. Anybody has the problem? Okay, student? Now, So what is this? This is your, I think this is your P, this is your Q, this is your R. Okay. Now you come to know that RQ is 100 by 19. Now what do you have to find? Wait. Okay. Now you have to find the value of PQ. And what is PQ? PQ is given by 10 into X. And that is 10 into X. What is the value of X? The value of X is 100 by 19. So this is 100 by 19 and we get 1000 by 19. So this is the value of PQ. Okay, student. So this is the value of PQ. Okay, student. Now you have to find the value of RP. So what is RP? You see here, RP equal to, this is your RP, X root 19. And what is the value of X? That is 100 by 19. So you get 100 by 19 into root 19. So this is the value of RP. Okay, student. So we get all the three values, all the three sides of the right angle triangle. Okay. So you see, this is your PQ. This is your PQ. And this is your RQ. Okay. And this is your RP. So in this way, we are able to find all the three sides of a right angle triangle. Okay.